16 deliveries to be bowled. Just missing the Yorker by a few inches, and that was enough for Saklan. Hump it over long off for this brilliant six. He is pulling the crowd back.
Long levers of Saklan come into good effect. Yorker was almost perfect, probably 6 to 8 inches shorter. Decent connection. Irfan thought he's in the game, but unfortunately for Pakistan, Shaheen's not to come. Another full toss, bottom of the bat. Saklan says, I'll keep the strike and I'm going to be the one responsible.
Tense races.
Left side, down the left side. The anxious faces not only. In the air, long off in place. Irfan Khan, it goes over him. There was a 6.5 wire. Ripon Mondal. Second time in the over, he's going for a Yorker, missing it, and he pumped over long off. Hope is a fragile thing unless you refuse to let it go. Hope still there for Bangladesh.
Tiger is alive. Wonderful stroke. Once more, just missing the Yorker. This time in the slot, and Ripon, who was brilliant with the ball earlier, now is doing the job with the bat. Great hit that.
This has risen again. Yorker up down the ground, long on field in place, and fails it. Sadakat. Guess what? He has just kept only for one run there. Brilliant by Mas. And he does. Irfan Khan. It goes over him. That's the third six. Chandra Daniel into his fourth over. With some fierce power. Just a couple of runs and easy couple of runs. Good start for the over for Bangladesh. 5 of 5. Ripon Mondal on strike. The last wicket, but still the hope is there for Bangladesh.
Every reason to hope, man. It's just 5 of 5. These two have been majestic. They have brought the people back. They brought the hopes back. They got this whole dugout jumping again in excitement. And this is how it all came together.